Woo, child. This hair got me feeling like a fish fillet sandwich with medium french fries, a vanilla milkshake, barbecue sauce, a whole meal from Mickey D's, baby. Alright, so the hair that I currently have on and will be reviewing in this video is the Beauty Forever Malaysian Curly.
What do you have?
I'll take a...
Malaysian Curly.
What did you say?
I said I'll take a...
Malaysian Curly.
Huh?
Yes, this is a full wig. I did not construct anything. The wig came just like that. In terms of density, this is the 180% density, and this is a 22-inch wig. Let me back up for you guys a little bit. This is a 22-inch wig. All of these products, I bought them with my own coins, okay? Like my own moolah, my blood, sweat, and tears. So I'm gonna be real because I don't like wasting money, and I know you guys don't. First category today is gonna be price. Now, in terms of coins, how well did this hair do? So guys, I purchased this entire wig unit for $177 on AliExpress, and that's the entire price, including shipping, including taxes, all of that, okay? So for me, I would rate that a 9. Like, I truly feel like 177 for a full 22-inch lace curly Malaysian hair virgin wig. I feel like that's okay. I probably would have loved it a lot more if I could have got this for like 160, but that's just like my cheap Nigerian side coming out. You know, Nigerians, you know, we be cheap. We always be trying to spend less money wherever we can, so that's why I'm rating it a 9. Okay, so the second category is gonna be shipping speed, and y'all, this hair came literally the next week. AliExpress, like, when it comes to hair, you'll get your hair super fast, but when it comes to everything else, like, it takes like years. I don't get it. But I'm gonna rate shipping speed with this hair as a 10. Yeah! So I chose to get my hair shipped from the United States, and I would recommend for you guys as well to get your hair shipped from the United States because you don't want to click China, because if you click China, it's going to take way longer, okay? Okay, so the next category is going to be curl patterns. So y'all, my opinion on this hair in terms of the curl pattern, I'm going to go with like a 7.9. Yeah, I know, I'm gonna go with the 7.9. I don't know, the curl pattern is cute, but it's definitely not the best curl pattern that I've seen on AliExpress. I felt like this curl pattern is cute. It's cute, but it's just not the best. You know, like, it's not the best. For $177, like, I think the curl pattern did its thing. But in general, I feel like the curl pattern is cute, but it's not all that. You know, it's not all that. Like, it's cute though. It's real cute though. So I'm gonna turn around just so you guys can see the back. Alright, so the next category is gonna be fullness. As you guys know, I purchased my pre-made wig in the 180% density, so that means that I got the thickest wig. As thick as they possibly could make the wigs, I got it. And the 180 is pretty good. I want to say I rated a solid 9. I feel like it could have been a tad more thicker, but that's just because like I'm extra. Like when I do bundles, I like bundles. You know what I'm saying? Like I like my thick. But if you're someone that likes a natural looking wig, I think the 180% density is perfect. Alright, so next up we're gonna get into shedding. Does this hair shed? Yes. Like just plain and simple, yes, it does shed. In terms of shedding, I'm gonna give this hair a 7. Now, the hair does shed. It's not the most horrible hair that I've seen on AliExpress in terms of shedding, because y'all, I got AliExpress horror stories for days. Like, there's so much hair that I bought on AliExpress that I've seen just fucking shed all its bundles off. So our next category is gonna be maintenance. Is this a high maintenance girl or is she a low maintenance girl? What's up? Like, what are we really working with here? Like, am I gonna always need to bring around my spray bottle and my detangler? Like, or am I good for all day once I leave the house? So for me, I'm gonna rate this hair a 9 as well for maintenance. So I find that once I just spray my hair down in the morning and put a strong staying gel, I find that I'm pretty good for a lot of time outside, you know, without my hair frizzing up or without me having to reapply gel or water to it. My hair has like stayed intact like throughout all of my shifts this week, so I'm very, very, very happy about that. So yes, I'm gonna rate the hair a 9 in terms of maintenance. Like once or twice, like during my shift, I'll like go to the bathroom and like put a little bit of water in it, but I don't find that I need to like bring out my comb and start doing the whole routine, you know. I don't find that I need to do that. So I am gonna rate maintenance a 9, and I'm gonna say that she's a medium maintenance girl, you know. Okay, so our last category for today is gonna be wig construction. Like, how impressed was I with the way the wig came and the way the wig was constructed? So I do have some pictures on the inside parts of the wig, so I'm gonna show you guys that right now in these clips. Okay, so in terms of the entire construction, the cap and all of that, I'm gonna give it a solid 8. I feel like this wig was great. You know, I don't feel like it was amazing. I don't feel like it came super plucked. I don't feel like the knots came bleached, you know, and these are all different things that come into the construction of the wig. I feel like it was easy for me to pluck the knots, and it was a little bit of plucking that I had to do to the frontal to make it look natural, you know. Still, y'all, even though it's an 8, like, the wig is still great. Like, this is like one of the first frontals I've really had in a while, and I feel like it was perfect. Like, for the price, the type of wig that I got, the length, oh Lord have mercy, like, it really gave me life. Okay, all right guys, so we have made it to the end of the video. So now, drum roll please. Can I get a drum roll please? Can I get a drum roll? So now it's the make it or break it question. Would I repurchase this hair again with my money? For now, I'm gonna say yes. It's good to know that there's a really cheap, affordable wig out there that you can get that can come fast whenever you need it. You know, it's good to have wigs that you can buy whenever that are cheap and affordable. This hair is bomb and it's affordable and it's a really good bang for your buck. Alright guys, so we are officially done with the video. Yay! So this is wig 1 of my affordable wig series. And once again, this is the Beauty Forever Malaysian Curly 22 inches 180% density full wig. And yeah, I'm really excited to bring out more wigs from AliExpress to show you guys, because I know we are all on the quest to find some affordable, great hair. If you guys like this wig, make sure you guys let me know down below. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys follow your girl on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, and TikTok. There's so many things out, but follow me on everything, okay? And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys later in the next video.